Today I have this AR-15 lock that I bought off of Amazon. It mounts to the wall. To display your AR-15, this part goes up through the magazine well. The cable goes up through and comes out your ejection port. The code right now is 604, if you can see that. It just works like this. The cable comes out, goes down through. That's how it works. They slide back in. And then to change it, you just press this little button in and dial the wheels. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. I'm going to cover it up and have my wife do it. Alright, let's see if we can get this decoded. I'm even going to go to the back. I'll start here. That easy.